day students, welcome on behalf of Science Academy. So today we are going to introduce another lecture in the MCQ marathon series. Earlier we have done MCQs on related to the whole botany concepts of botany related to microbiology and specifically to photosynthesis, since I have completed the series lecture on photosynthesis. And today we will discuss few questions related to lysosomes. These questions are equally important for each and every entrance examination, whether it be any examination from medical series or whether it be any examination for any bio related examination for your CSI NET examination or your MSc entrance examination. Okay, so the questions are set in a universal standard, so you may go through all of these and clear your concepts. So I'll not discuss much about the answers in details because these questions are relative to the lecture we have discussed earlier. In cellular organelle playlist you will get that lecture. I'll link those lectures in and the quiz lectures in description box. If you want, you can check that out, and then if you do the MCQ thing, then it would be easy for you. Okay, so let's begin. So the first question says that lysosomes are the digestive enzymes or the respiratory centers or excretory centers or energy centers. So this is a very basic question. If you know what is lysosome, the other name of it is only suicidal bag. Or lysosome, what is its main function? It helps in digestion of any foreign material or self material. In case where it digests self material, it is known as suicidal bag or it does autophagy, and in cases where it does extracellular digestion of foreign materials, there are different methods named for it. Phagocytosis, pinocytosis, you can go through the lecture for that. So for this question the correct answer is the digestive enzymes. Okay, digestive enzymes is our correct answer, option number A. Okay, let's move on to next question. Let me change the color of the pen. Okay, so next question says lysosomes are abundant in. So this is a very logical question. Just think that lysosomes would be abundant only in cells where the killing function or destruction function is the maximum among these all. So among these all, like what options we have RBCs, we have WBC, we have osteoclast, we have spleen, we have the liver mentioned here. So out of these all these kind of organs or tissues, or cells, anything you may say, so out of all of these, the correct or the most appropriate combination where lysosomes are most abundant is WBCs and spleen. So option number D is our correct answer. Okay, D. Let's move on to next question. So next question says lysosomes have vast array of hydrolytic enzymes. We all know that they have approximately 40. I told you in the lecture that there are 40, but later I read in some foreign author book also that they are mentioning that there are now 50. Like the book which I used to refer earlier for the lecture, there maybe it is the old edition, so researches are not like updated. So now they are saying that there are almost around 50 to 55 hydrolytic enzyme. Okay, so the question says lysosomes can have, so let me mention here 50. Okay, just wait, 50. So lysosomes have vast array of hydrolytic enzymes which can digest almost any foreign particle, except the answer will be cellulose. Okay, because they lack the enzyme cellulase. They lack the enzyme cellulase, so they cannot digest cellulose. So the correct answer is option number A. Let's move forward. Now the fourth question says lysosomes are found everywhere except erythrocytes or the mature mammalian RBC cells. Generally RBCs on maturation they lose or their membranes or cell organelles get degraded. In such cases those particular cells they don't have the lysosomes. So erythrocytes are what? RBCs and they lack lysosomes. So correct answer is option number C. Question number 5 says pH of lysosome is, this is very easy, it is acidic. It maintains a pH approximately of 3.8 to 5 or 5.5. It depends from cell to cell. Okay, generally from the range 4 to 5. Now, which of the following is not a disease associated with lysosome malfunctioning? So, the only disease here mentioned which is not associated with malfunctioning of lysosome is Marfan syndrome, or option number D. Now, what happens in Marfan syndrome? You know, in Marfan syndrome is generally a defect in gene which leads to the loss of elasticity in the connective tissues. So it is definitely a defect in the a disease caused due to defect in connective tissue functioning. Okay, so Marfan syndrome has no function, has no relation with lysosome malfunctioning. Absolutely no. So the correct answer is D. Question number 7 says lysosomal membrane is rich in. So lysosomal membranes, among these options we can say option number B, or sialic acid. It has a huge composition of sialic acid. So sialic acid is definitely a compound which provides richness to lysosomal membrane. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 8 says which of the following is a function of lysosome? So lysosomal functions we have already discussed, and so among them autophagy is one, autolysis is one, digestion is one. So all of these functions are there. So which option to take? Option number D says all of the above. So we will take option number D, which is all of the above. Staining technique used to locate lysosome. So it is directly I will tell you the answer. It is the Gomori stain. In some books I have seen that they write Gomori. In some books they write Gomori, and in some books you will get Gomori. Both are same. The more appropriate one which I am seeing recently is actually Gomori. Okay, Go. So Gomori stain is the stain which is used to locate lysosomes within the cell. Okay, so we use the Gomori stain for this staining technique to locate lysosomes within a cell. So option number C is the correct answer. And what does question number 10 says? Which is the enzyme used as a marker for lysosome? So marker, this is not Marder, this is a typing mistake. So which among these enzymes are used as a marker? So the answer is acid phosphatase. Answer is acid phosphatase, option number C. Okay, so there are three basic. Now what is a marker? A marker enzyme is any enzyme which is very much unique to that particular lysosome only, मतलब that particular organelle only. एक organelle के लिए कोई एक particular enzyme होगा जो कि उसके लिए unique होगा, ताकि जब तुम experiment perform करो तो marker उसको mark करेगा और कई और cell पे वो जाके show नहीं करेगा. It will show unique selection in that particular organelle only. So in lysosomes we have three of them. एक होता है, let me clear the space and then tell you. एक होता है तुम्हारा बीटा नैग. Okay, one is beta nag, which the full form is N-acetyl beta glucosaminidase. The other one is beta galactosidase. Okay, the other one is beta galactosidase, and the third one is acid phosphatase. So among these only acid phosphatase is mentioned. So the correct answer is option number C, the acid phosphatase. So 10 questions we have discussed in this series. Now I have jotted down the answers so that you can rectify. You can just note down the answers, and if you find that any of the answer is inappropriate or something, you can just comment below. We will clear the query or correct ourselves if we are really wrong. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends who are also preparing for the entrance examinations, and do follow our lecture series. You can follow us on Instagram with the ID Science Academia, and we have created a new Facebook page. The earlier page you all were finding too much confusion since the name was a little bit different like our old name, but now you can follow us with the ID Science Academia, our new page. Please go and follow our pages and show us some support by subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Thank you so much, students. Stay safe, stay blessed.